મોશન. ગયા વખતના વિડીયોમાં આપણે જોયું હતું ડિસ્ટન્સ અને ડિસ્પ્લેસમેન્ટ. આઈ હોપ કે તમને તે વખતે ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો છે. નાઉ વી વિલ લુક ઇનટુ સ્પીડ એન્ડ વેલોસિટી. સૌથી પહેલા જોઈએ યુનિફોર્મ મોશન. યુનિફોર્મ મોશન એટલે જેમાં કોન્સ્ટન્ટ સ્પીડ રહે છે અને કહેવાય છે કોન્સ્ટન્ટ સ્પીડ. નોન યુનિફોર્મ મોશનમાં જલ્દી જાય, ધીમે પડી જાય, ફાસ્ટ જાય, પાછું ધીમે પડી જાય, પાછું સાવ ધીમે પડી જાય, બંધ રહી જાય, પાછું ધીમે, પછી પાછું ફાસ્ટ જાય. એટલે નોન કોન્સ્ટન્ટ સ્પીડ હોય છે. ઓકે, સ્પીડ ઘણી રીતે મપાય છે. એક તો આપણે સ્કૂટરમાં ગાડીમાં સ્પીડોમીટર હોય. ઓકે, એ શેમાં માપે છે? કિલોમીટર પર અવર. 60 કિલોમીટરની સ્પીડે જો સ્કૂટર કે ગાડી જતી હોય તો 60 કિલોમીટર પર અવર. બટ ઇન એસઆઈ યુનિટ્સ, ની અંદર દરેક આન્સર તમારે મીટર પર સેકન્ડમાં લાવવાના છે. ગમે તે કિલોમીટર પર અવર આપેલું હોય કે જે આપેલું, you will have to write all your answers in meters per second because that is the standard international standard ઉપર જાય છે. ઓકે, પહેલા હવે આપણે જોઈએ સ્પીડ. સ્પીડ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ ડિસ્ટન્સ અપોન ટાઈમ. તમે કેટલું અંતર કાપો છો અને કેટલા સમયમાં કાપો છો, that is speed. ઓકે, એને આપણે ગતિ કહીએ છીએ. Suppose you travel 60 kilometers from here to Chotila in 2 hours. Okay, your speed is 30 kilometers per hour. This is speed. Simple છે. Kilometer distance divided by time. Suppose you travel 30 meters in a scooter in 5 seconds. Okay, 30 meters is in 5 seconds. So here your speed will be 6 meters per second. You will have to convert all your answers into meters per second. Manu travels 200 meters from his house to Pani Puri Wala. Manu goes to Pani Puri Wala. Okay, in 40 seconds. Slowly he goes and comes back quickly. He wants to come back and eat the Pani Puri. He comes back in 20 seconds. How much distance does he travel when he comes back? Of course, 200 meters. Because he is gone from his house to Pani Puri Wala is 200 meters. He goes in 40 seconds and comes back in 20 seconds. What is his average speed? Okay, we discussed about speed and now average speed. Total distance. Total distance is going 200 and coming 200. And total time is 40 seconds and 20 seconds. 40 plus 20. So 200 plus 200 is 400 upon 60. We cancel 20 upon 3. Okay. So if you divide this, it will be 6.67 meters per second. This will be the average speed Manu will travel from his house to the Pani Puri Wala. Okay, Pani Puri से अभी हम जाएंगे at average speed. Let's have a different formula. Manu travels at a speed of 10 meters per second for 3 seconds. The speed is given and time is given. What distance he will cover? So we can say speed is equal to distance upon time. So if you bring this here, it will become speed multiplied by time is equal to distance. We have to find the distance. Speed is 10 meters per second and time is 3. So distance will be 30 meters. Okay, simple. You have to bring this time here. So speed into time is equal to distance. You can have other formulas, like suppose what is the, if you have to find the time, okay, what will happen is speed into time is equal to distance. So time is equal to distance divided by speed. Okay, speed is equal to d upon t, d is equal to s multiplied by t, and t is equal to d divided by s. It all comes back from here. This is the main. Speed is equal to distance upon time. If you want to find time, you will multiply this. If you want to find time, if you want to find distance, if you want to find time, you bring this down here. It comes from a single formula. Okay, one more example we take. Chandu travels 300 meters from his school to Manu's house. Chandu goes from school to Manu's house to play. He doesn't go to his house. Pehla Manu ni ghir jai chhe. At a speed of 30 meters per second. Okay, and distance is given. So this formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, so speed multiplied by time is equal to distance. But what we want is kyare pochche. Time we want. So time is equal to distance upon speed. Same thing, if you do speed is brought down. Okay, so time is equal to distance is 300 meters per meters, and the speed is 30 meters. So it will take 10 seconds to reach Manu's house. We have found out time now. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Time ને અહીંયા લઈએ એટલે speed multiplied by time is equal to distance. આમાં speed ગોતાય છે, આમાં distance ગોતાય છે, અને આમાં time ગોતાય છે. So we have taken an example. Okay, speed we have seen. Okay, speed આપણે જોઈ લીધી છે. હવે આપણે જોઈએ velocity. Velocity is equal to displacement upon time. Speed શું હતું? Speed distance upon time. Velocity શું છે? Displacement upon time. I am sure કે તમને ખ્યાલ હશે ના કે distance એટલે શું ને displacement. ચાલો આપણે એક એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈએ. Manu travels from origin, એટલે અહીંયાથી ચાલુ કરે છે, and goes to A in 6 seconds. Find its speed and velocity. Okay, here speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is equal to 30 meters and time is 6. So 5 meters per second is the speed. Okay. હવે આપણે જોઈએ velocity. Velocity is equal to displacement, not distance, upon time. Displacement કેટલું છે? Displacement પણ same છે. 30 upon 6, which is equal to 5 meters per second. Both same. Distance ને displacement બે સરખા છે. Now let us find out. Let us take another sum. Okay. Away from A, he travels to this point B. Okay, from A to B he takes 4 seconds. Okay, from A to B he travels in 4 seconds. Now find the speed. Find the speed and velocity. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance શું થશે? પહેલા અહીંયાથી અહીંયા 30 meters ને પાછળ 10 meters. So distance is 40 meters and time is 6 seconds and 4 seconds. So 10 seconds. His speed is 4 meters per second. Now let us take the velocity. Okay, a velocity જોઈએ તો શું થશે? Displacement on time. Displacement is only 20 because this is the initial position and this is the final position. So it is 20. Time is the same. He went from here to here. It can go anywhere from here to here, here, anywhere. But now he is here after 10 seconds. So his velocity v is equal to 2 meters per second. Okay, this has to be clear. Okay, Manu travels from origin to A and then to B. How much? 30 plus 10, 40 meters in 6 plus 4, 10 seconds. So his speed is 4 meters per second. Okay, but his velocity is 20 meters in 10 seconds. So it will be 2 meters per second. From B, he comes back to O. वापस घर आ जाता है. Okay, he comes to O in 10 seconds. What is his speed? Speed is equal to 40 plus 20. So 60 meters in 10 plus another 10. 20 seconds. So it will be 3 meters per second. This is his speed. Now what is his velocity? પહેલા ક્યાં હતો? અહીંયા. અને હવે ક્યાં છે? અહીંયા. આમ આટા મારી પાછો અહીંયા આવી ગયો. So the distance, the displacement is 0. Time taken is 20 seconds. So it will be 0 meters per second. His velocity is 0 meters per second because initial position and the final position are all the same. Okay, let's see the last one. Average speed. Okay, a man travels at an average speed of 6 meters per second to the gate. Okay, શાસ્ત્રીનગરના ગેટ ઉપર જઈને પછી યાદ આવ્યું કે હું તો કઈ મોબાઈલ ભૂલી ગયો છું. એટલે he travels back at 4 meters per second. Okay, totally in 5 seconds. 5 seconds ની અંદર એ જઈને પાછો આવે. What is his average speed? 6 meters per second plus 4 meters per second in 5 seconds. So it will be 10 upon 5. His average speed is 2 meters per second. Okay, his average speed is 2 meters per second. 6 meters per second he went to the gate and 4 meters per second he comes back in 5 seconds. So his average speed is 2 meters per second.